Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Thank you for patience and following us on how to fix this car here. The X5 4.0, we put everything. We are able to communicate with the engine, computer, transmission. Engine computer was communicating all the stuff. It was communicating perfect. We found the problem. We fixed the problem of the fuse in the back, and also one of the major things that we found, the conclusion was that, you see this piece here? Okay. You have that light? Give me the light there. You see, this is the junction box, and they changed it brand new from the dealer. They transfer a fuses here. So this box here also was full of water, so we changed it, we coded it, we programmed it. We don't have power coming back. When we come here, we found that one of this connector, you see the wide one there, I believe, maybe this one here is out. I have to push it and it clip like this. That's where I'm not getting power all the way back to that, no matter what. On the back fuse box, which is here. You know, this car was being replaced. It's coming to me, you know, this piece here, also one of the pieces that I compare the wiring, the connector, and I found that is okay. Let me show you here. Here we change this fuse box. Yes, you see, this is circuit G relay. That means the CAS module directly energize this relay, and this relay will send power to those fuses here, on which we are not getting anything here. Even though we found water on it, we clean it, we change all the fuses, but now everything look okay. We did what we can. We also checked, this is a fuel pump relay. After the car doesn't want to start, we found that here is okay, we have power, we fix the connection, it's still the car doesn't want to start. We checked the fuel pump relay, it was working, it had power. This is going to the fuel pump. This is coming from the CAS module, and this is from the engine computer, power CAS, engine computer command. Still the car doesn't want to start. We come back here, and I say, you know what, let me compare the fuses, these boxes, to see this was a use from another car. So when I compare, we found that we are missing this fuse here, and two fuse, they all missing, and this fuse, this was missing, this was missing, and this was missing, and this was missing. If you see, I changed them. Even though this one's supposed to be 40 amps, you see this, supposed to be 40 amps, I put 30 amps here. I'm gonna change it and I put 40 amps later on. Now, after I did that, let me show you. After I did that, I also did something else. Let me just start the car now. I just want to start it for you. My car is start perfect, you see. Everything look good. This one also is working, you see. Drive. Park, not bad. Now I have one thing. I'm gonna turn the key off. I'm gonna show you one thing here. Maybe the car is still an accessory mode. Okay. Okay, now I have to show you what I did also. One of the diagnostic that you need to do. I opened the fuse box here. I opened the fuse box in the bottom here to check if there is water inside. No water. I checked this wire here is power. I have power. This one's supposed to have a ground from the computer while cranking. I don't have no injector pulse. I also opened this place. This is a place where you can check the fuel pressure. You can put a port here, a fuel pressure gauge, and test it. I check it. I have good fuel pressure, but I don't have injector pulse. I took this piece out, which is one coil, and what I did is I test the spark. Still I don't have nothing. Finally, those fuses that I show you, I put it in, and everything was perfect, working fine. Now I'm putting everything back. I'm gonna blow out the dust that you see here, and we're good to go. The car is start. We're gonna put the filter, the engine filter housing, or the intake manifold filter housing. Also we're gonna connect the air flow meter sensor, and we're good to go. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Now we're gonna blow out the dust. You can blow it out. Thank you very much.